Do you want to enable gaming mode to play games smoothly on your iPhone 8 Plus? Look no further. Here's the easiest and quickest guide on how to enable gaming mode on iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. To do that, open Settings, tap Focus. Gaming mode is supposed to be there. If gaming mode isn't there, tap the plus icon at the top right corner. Then you'll see a gaming option. Tap Gaming. Now tap Customize Focus. After that, you can choose Game Apps. Tap Choose Apps. Or choose the contact that you only want to receive notifications. Now, tap the plus icon to add apps. Here, you can select apps that you're allowing their notifications while playing a game. So, that is how you can enable gaming mode on iPhone 8 Plus. If you have any kind of questions, then please write them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.